This wheeled and well armed, we're going to replace my stock grips on the SAR K12 Sport with the LOK Grips, and these are the full size short because it does have the built-in magwell. So this is basically the Tanfaglio grips. So we'll speed this up. Alright, boy, that has a nice look to it, more of a burgundy than a red, but I really like the look of those, and they really feel good. No gaps, no gaps. The checkering on the front is slightly less than the grips themselves. They'll wear down a little bit, but man, that's a really good feel on all four sides. So yeah, compared to these were just absolutely smooth before, that's gonna make a tremendous difference on the range. So this is Wheeled and Well Armed. Have a great day and be prepared.